Good morning, all of you. So, in today's class, we are going to study the difference between mass and weight. Okay? In previous class, we had studied about acceleration due to gravity, gravitational constant, and what will be the acceleration due to gravity on Earth, Moon, and also we have solved some numerical on that topic. In today's class, we are going to study about the difference between mass and weight. Okay? So, first of all, we will discuss that what is mass and what is weight. So, when I am telling about the topic mass, what is mass? Quantity of metal. Okay, so what is mass? Mass is quantity of metal. Means the quantity of metal which is present in an object, it is mass. And SI unit of mass is kg, kilogram. What is the SI unit of mass? It is kilogram. And mass of an object never changes. Mass of an object is always constant. मास कभी भी हमका चेंज नहीं होता है, वो हमेशा क्या होता है? इट इज ऑलवेज कांस्टेंट, इट इज ऑलवेज फिक्स्ड. ओके, सो व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग दैट mass of an object, it is always fixed. Suppose a body is having a mass of, suppose I am taking an example that if a body is having mass of 50 kg on earth. So here if a body is having mass of 50 kg on earth, so if I will move to take the body to moon or any other place, the mass will remain same. It will be if always how much kg? It will be 50 kg. Why it is so? That the mass is the quantity of matter which is present in the object, and that's why mass of an object never changes. Okay, whereas when we will deal with the weight, what is weight? So this is the definition of mass. Now I am coming to the topic weight. What is weight? Weight is a type of force. What is weight? It is a type of force, and weight is the product of mass and acceleration due to gravity. From here, it will be clear to you that why I am saying that mass never changes, but weight, it changes from place to place. So when we are talking about the weight is the product of mass and acceleration due to gravity. So when the weight is the product of mass and acceleration due to gravity, so as we have already discussed that at different place the acceleration due to gravity is also different. Like suppose on earth the value of acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square, but on moon the value of acceleration due to gravity is 1.63 meter per second square. We have also seen about the formula of acceleration due to gravity, that g is equal to gm upon r square. Means if the mass of a planet and radius of the planet changes, so acceleration due to gravity also changes. So here we are seeing that W is what? It is the product of mass and acceleration due to gravity. So as we know that mass is what? Mass is always constant. mass of a body, mass of a body always remain constant. Okay, so mass of a body always remain constant. So in this formula what we are seeing that W is equal to m into g. But if mass will be always constant, so what will happen? W will be directly proportional to g. W will be directly proportional to g. It means what? If acceleration due to gravity will change, weight of the body will also change. If acceleration due to gravity of a body is more, weight will also be more. If acceleration due to gravity of a body is less, weight will also be less. Okay, so this is the difference between. And what is the unit of weight? When we are going with the unit, SI unit of weight is same as SI unit of force, that is Newton. So what is the SI unit of weight? It is Newton. So it is clear from this topic that weight is a type of force and weight keep on changing and acceleration due to gravity changes. Whenever acceleration due to gravity changes, weight of a body also changes. But mass of a body always remain constant. So let us take an example. Suppose I am saying in this example that a body is having a mass of 10 kg on Earth surface. What will be its weight on Earth and Moon? What will be its weight on Earth and Moon? Also calculate mass on Moon. Okay, so this is the question which is in front of you, that a body is having a mass of 10 kg on Earth's surface. What will be its mass so in this question, sorry, I am going to switch off the light. Okay, so now it's the screen will be visible to you much clear. That according to this question, what is in the question written? In the question it is written that a body is having a mass of 10 kg on Earth's surface. What will be its weight on Earth and Moon? Also calculate its mass on Moon. Also calculate its mass on Moon. So now we will see what will be the solution. As in today's topic, earlier we have seen that the mass of the body never changes. So according to, in the question it is given that mass on Earth is equal to 10 kg. So if the mass on Earth will be 10 kg, what will be mass on Moon? Mass on Moon will also be how much? 10 kg. Clear? Please be clear with this topic, that if in exam several times it is asked that the mass of a body on Earth is this much, what will be the mass on the Moon, or what will be the mass on the different planet. So if the mass of a body on Earth is 10 kg or any magnitude it is given, the mass will be same Keep in mind this thing. Now second thing, weight. Weight on earth is equal to, what is the formula of weight? That is m into g. So I am not saying Maggie हमने बोला है that weight is equal to W is equal to Maggie. No, weight is equal to m into g. So since mass is 10 kg, and what is acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth? Acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth, we have already proved it is 9.8 meter per second square. So here we will get the weight on earth is how much? It is equal to 98 Newton. So now we have got the value of weight on the surface of earth. It is 98 Newton. Now we are going to calculate the weight on moon. Weight on moon, that is also m into g. So better you write here E. What E representing? Acceleration due to gravity on the surface of earth, and m acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the moon. As we have already calculated that acceleration due to gravity on the moon is 1.63, or so you will get 16.3 Newton. Or one thing also we know that weight on the earth and weight on the moon, there is a relation that weight on the moon is 1/6 of the weight of the earth. So better from one more way you can do it, that if you will divide 98 by 6, then also the result will be same, that is 16.3 Newton. Okay, so from here we have seen that 98 16.3 Newton means the weight is going on changing as the value of v goes on changes, but mass is always constant, it never changes. Okay, so this is the topic that that's why the mass. And what is the weight? It is a type of force, because we have also seen the from second law of motion. What is second law of motion? We have proved from second law of motion that F is equal to m into a. Second law of motion says that force is directly proportional to rate of change of momentum, and change in momentum is in the direction of force applied. So and we have also proved F is equal to m into a. Okay, so when we are talking about the height, vertical thing, this acceleration rate changes into acceleration due to gravity. So here see, we have got the formula of weight for m into g. Same thing. That's why weight is also a type of force with which an object is attracted towards the gravity, whether it is the gravity of earth, whether it is the gravity of moon, or whether it is the gravity of any planet. Okay, so hope this topic is very much clear to you, that what is the difference between weight and mass. Okay, and mass of a body is always constant and weight goes on changes. Okay, thank you, God bless you all.